construction of quadrilaters. Part 3. Exercise 3.1 problems solving. Construction of a quadrilaters. The length of 4 sides and one angle are given. B problem. P is equal to 2.9 centimeters, CS is equal to 3.2 centimeters, ST is equal to 2.7 centimeters, BT is equal to 3.4 centimeters and angle B is 75 degrees. Construct PEST quadrilateral and write the steps of quadrilateral. Solution. Rough diagram. In this problem, 5 measurements are given. B is equal to 2.9 centimeters, ES is equal to 3.2 centimeters, ST is equal to 2.7 centimeters, BT is equal to 3.4 centimeters and a angle B is 75 degrees. Construct BEST quadrilateral. Construction steps. Number 1. Construct a line segment. B is equal to 2.9 centimeters. With the center B, draw a ray which is equal to 75 degrees. With the center B, draw an arc which is equal to radius 3.4 centimeters. Intersecting point T. With the center T, draw an arc equal to radius 2.7 centimeters. With the center E, draw another arc equals to radius 3.2 centimeters. Intersecting point S. Join ST and ES. The required quadrilateral BEST is formed. Go to another problem. In exercise 3.1, C problem. PQ is equal to 4.5 centimeters, QR is equal to 3 centimeters and angle PQR is equal to 60 centimeters. Construct PQRS parallelogram and write the steps of construction. In this problem, given only 3 measurements, remaining 2 we can assume. In a parallelogram PQRS, PQ is equal to RS is equal to 4.5 centimeters, QR is equal, SP is equal to 3 centimeters. Opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. PQ is equal to 4.5 centimeters, QR is equal to 3 centimeters. Angle PQR is equal to 60 centimeters. PS is equal to 3 centimeters and RS is equal to 4.5 centimeters. Then go to draw a parallelogram PQRS. Constructing steps. Construct a line segment. PQ is equal to 4.5 centimeters with the center Q. Draw a ray which is equal to 60 degrees. With the center Q. Draw an arc which is equal to radius 3 centimeters. Intersecting point R with the center R. Draw an arc equal to radius 4.5 centimeters with the center P. Draw another arc equal to radius 3 centimeters. Intersecting point S. Join RS and PS. The required parallelogram PQRS is formed. Go to another problem in exercise 3.1. D problem. AT is equal to 4 centimeters and angle MAT is equal to 120 degrees. Construct rhombus MATH and write steps of construction. Solution. In this problem, given only two measurements in a rhombus MATH, MA is equal to AT is equal to TH is equal to HT, that is equal to 4 centimeters. Angle MAT is equal to 120 degrees. In a rhombus, all sides are equal. Draw a rough diagram. MA is equal to 4 centimeters. Angle MAT is equal to 120 degrees. AT is equal to 4 centimeters. TH is equal to 4 centimeters. MH is equal to 4 centimeters. Then go to draw rhombus MATH. Construction steps. Draw a line segment. Construct a line segment MA is equal to 4 centimeters. With the center A. Draw a ray which is equal to 120 degrees. With the center A, draw an arc which is equal to radius 4 centimeters. Intersecting point T. With the center T, draw an arc equals to radius 4 centimeters. With the center M, draw another arc equal to radius 4 centimeters. Intersecting point H. Join TH and MH. The required rhombus MATH is formed. Exercise 3.1, another problem E. FL is equal to 5 centimeters and angle LA is equal to 3 centimeters. Construct rectangle FLAT and write steps of construction. In a rectangle FLAT, FL is equal to AT is equal to 5 centimeters, LA is equal to FT is equal to 3 centimeters. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Angle F is equal to angle L is equal to angle A is equal to angle T is equal to 90 degrees. In rectangle, all angles are equal. Drawing rough diagram. FL is equal to 5 centimeters, angle L is equal to 90 degrees, LA is equal to 3 centimeters, angle F is equal to 90 degrees, FT is equal to 3 centimeters and AT is equal to 5 centimeters. Construct rectangle FLAT. Constructing steps. Construct a line segment FL is equal to 5 centimeters. Within the center L, draw a ray which is equal to 90 degrees. Within the center L, draw an arc which is equal to radius 3 centimeters, intersecting point A. With the center L, draw a ray which is equal to 90 degrees. Within the center F, draw an arc equal to radius 3 centimeters, intersecting point T. Join A comma T. The required rectangle FLAT is formed. Next problem F. LU is equal to 4.5 centimeters. Construct square LUDO and write steps of construction. In a square LUDO, LU is equal to UD is equal to DO is equal to OL is equal to 4.5 centimeters, or in a square all sides are equal. In a square all angles are equal. Drawing rough diagram. LU is equal to 4.5 centimeters, angle U is equal to 90 degrees, UD is equal to 4.5 centimeters, angle L is equal to 90 degrees. LO is equal to 4.5 centimeters, OD is equal to 4.5 centimeters. Construct square LUDO. Constructing steps. Draw a line segment. LU is equal to 4.5 centimeters. With the center U, draw a ray which is equal to 90 degrees. With the center U, draw an arc which is equal to radius 4.5 centimeters, intersecting point D. With the center L, draw a ray which is equal to 90 degrees. With the center L, draw an arc equal to radius 4.5 centimeters, intersecting point O. Join P, O. The required rectangle LUDO is formed. Let us generalize the steps of construction of a quadrilateral. Step 1, draw a rough sketch of the figure. Step 2, if the given measurements are insufficient, analyze the figure. Try to use special properties of the figure to obtain the required measurements. Draw a triangle with 3 of 5 measurements and use the other measurements to locate the fourth vertex. Step 4, describe the steps of construction in detail. In this session, we learned construction of quadrilateral. The length of 4 sides and one angle are given. Thank you, students.